February 27th. Spirit Sounds. Take time for prayer. Take more time to be alone with me. So only will you prosper. Realize that the hearing of spirit sounds is more than the hearing of all earth's noises. I am with you. Let that content you. Nay, more, let that fill you with rapture. Seek sometimes not even to hear me. Seek a silence of spirit understanding with me. Be not afraid. All is well. Dwell much on what I did as well as what I said. Remember, I touched her hand and the fever left her. Not many words, just a moment's contact, and all fever left her. She was well, whole, calm, able to arise and minister unto them. My touch is still a potent healer. Just feel that touch. Sense my presence, and the fever of work and care and fear just melts into nothingness, and health, joy, peace take its place.